The promise. By the end of these 7 days, you will not have a diary. You will have a schematic. You are making the blueprint. You will see exactly where your architecture is weak. You will see where the walls are literally crumbling. You will see where the system is entering your home base to harvest your power. You will realize that your bad luck is actually just bad programming. You will realize that your anxiety is actually a psychological response to inputs you are voluntarily consuming. This realization is the first moment of true freedom. Because if you are the one inputting the data, you are the one who can stop. We are not fixing anything yet. We are simply turning on the floodlights in the dark room. The cockroaches will hate it. The persona will scream. Let it scream. You are the architect, and the construction begins now.